As a scientist in a bustling biopharma lab, Hongfeng's ability to reproducibly generate high-purity fractions from analytical scale HPLC separations is critical to her lab's analytical and manufacturing workflows. If she lacks confidence in the purification process due to poor fractionation performance or sample degradation, she's also going to lack confidence in her ability to reliably perform tasks such as drug target isolation, impurity characterization, or production process optimization. Issues with sample purity or integrity will lead to delays in development and/or production of products, causing increased costs and decreased productivity across her site, both of which can be devastating in her fast-paced industry. What Hongfeng needs is an HPLC instrument capable of reliably purifying compounds for a variety of downstream analytical and manufacturing workflows. She needs the Thermo Vanquish Analytical Purification LC system featuring an integrated fraction collector. The Thermo Vanquish fraction collector enables efficient purification and preserves separation performance, giving her application flexibility with various sample containers, multiple fractionation modes or triggers, and a wide flow range. Protection of fraction integrity through fail-safe vessel recognition, precise fractionation movement, extensive wash, rinse, and flush procedures, and temperature-controlled storage. System biocompatibility extends this confidence to a variety of biomolecules. In addition, automated delay volume determination and optimized fluidics using Thermo Viper finger-tight fittings preserve peak resolution while minimizing carryover. The Vanquish fraction collector is simple to adopt into her existing workflows thanks to step-by-step wizards for instrument setup and method creation, and seamless software integration within Thermo Chromeleon CDS. With the widest range of smart features for full control of the fractionation process to ensure that separation and sample integrity are preserved, the Vanquish Analytical Purification LC system includes the most versatile, precise, and user-friendly fraction collector available, making it perfect for Hongfeng's lab. Learn more today at thermofisher.com/LC Purification.